Okay, let's do a little bit of review of some of our letters. Today, I'd like to reintroduce the letter Kuf. And for some reason, Kuf disappeared. I think it's in one of the videos where we didn't give the video a name that references Kuf, and I tried to find it and I couldn't. But we can use this video as our Kuf video. And I've added some extra vowels so that pretty much, Margaret, all of our vowels are covered in this review sheet of the Kuf. And Margaret, if you'd be so kind as to lead us in reciting the Kuf with its vowels, we'd be very grateful.
Ka.
Ka, well done.
Ka. There are two Kas.
Ka, two Kas.
Ku.
Ku,
Ku.
ku.
Ko.
Ko, next.
Ko.
Ko, well done.
Ke.
Okay. And actually, there should be one more instance of the K. Let me see if I can do this on my computer. Oh, there it is. Continue, please.
Ke.
Okay.
Ki.
Key.
Ki.
Cool. Very nice. Now, I have a little bit of a challenge for you. We don't have only letters that start with Kuf, but we have some words that end with Kuf. So let's start to get used to seeing the letters we've learned at the end of words as well. Would you like to try to pronounce the first word, Margaret?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah.
So this first letter is the IN, which is silent. And maybe that one's coming up in terms of a review as well. So the aleph and the ayin are silent, and we just pronounce the vowel, which is ah.
Mm.
Right. Now this next letter, I think, Joseph, I think the script is very confusing on the nun.
Yes. It is
Because,
enak.
yeah, it is anak, correct. But I'm saying this nun on the computer is a very, it doesn't look like the nun we're used to, and it almost looks like a kaf. You know what I'm saying?
Mhm. But
It's very confusing.
a calf has a calf is smooth. I think it's
Yeah,
okay.
kaf is smooth.
Yes.
You think it's okay? Margaret, can you recognize the second letter as our nun?
Ka. Ka.
You see, yeah, I see that. Let's look at the
But
yeah,
I think it is very much recognizable. It is very much recognizable.
Yes.
okay. Okay.
On my side, I'm okay with it.
Okay, this is
Also,
a
I'm okay
nun.
with it.
Okay. Margaret, this is a nun. So it's
Yes.
ayin, nun, kuf, anak.
Anak.
I look.
Enak.
Let's move down to the next word, Margaret. See if this one is a little more accessible.
Be, be, ba, ba,
Ba,
Right.
Baraku.
So this second letter actually is one of the last letters in the alphabet, and I have a feeling we really haven't reviewed this letter too much, as we haven't the kuf. So this second word is pronounced barak. Everybody, barak.
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 And it means lightning. And anak means
Sure.
giant. And Gideon, give this last one a pronunciation. See what you can do with it.
Okay. Kanageru.
And what do you suppose that means?
Kanagero.
Niru. Kasa.
Kangaroo.
Okay. Well done. Well done. Everybody, kangaroo.
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 Margaret told me when I visit her, she's going to show me kangaroo. No, just, you don't have kangaroo in Yahoo? No.
yes,
Oh, you do? Okay.
we don't.
Anyway, all right. Let's continue with something that can give you a sense of your progress, Margaret. I think those were a bit challenging because they use letters that are a little later in the alphabet. But let's try line 10 of the red worksheet. Line 10 kindly.
I did.
Line 10. And Maria, if you feel like you have an idea, give it a shot as well. Feel free.
Okay.
Is this second letter a Zion or a Dalet?
Zayin.
Okay. Give it another shot. Anybody want to give in?
Az.
Az.
Oz, well done. Margaret, the next one. Boz, together, Boz.
Bye.
Baz.
Az.
Well done. The next one, kindly, Margaret.
Gaz,
Well done. Together, all Gaz.
Guys.
Gaz.
Next one, kindly.
Haz,
Well done. Together, Chaz.
Chaz.
Haj.
Mhm.
Now try this one, Margaret. It's a little tricky.
ah,
What, can you name the second letter of the word?
Hi.
You're
Het,
getting it,
het.
Maria. Yeah, it's a chet, right. So it sounds like this, ach. Together, all ach.
Ach.
Very nice. It means brother. Now we have a word that starts with the chet, Margaret. Give this one a try.
Ah means brother.
Ach means brother, yeah.
Chav.
Okay.
No, really, let's give everybody a chance to sort of sort it out. So we can all kind of,
Hatav.
attack,
yeah, Margaret, take your time and we'll give you a chance to sort it out. Go ahead and sort this one out.
attack,
Well done. Together, all chatav.
Chata.
Hatav.
Very nice. And lastly, Margaret, see if you can sort this one.
attack,
Hava.
hava, have,
There you go. Together, all chavav.
Havav.
Nice. Let's get away from all the chets because those are challenging. Gideon, why don't you take line 5 in the next worksheet to continue to reinforce your understanding of the shvas and how we can break down these words. Line
Okay.
5, I thought would be a good one for you.
Okay. Yehalelo.
Very good. Yehalelu. Together, yehalelu.
Yehalelu.
Yehalelo.
Yeah, hallelujah.
Very nice. Very nice. Next one, kindly.
Dile. Lelavo.
So I would say the first syllable is closed, ending with the lamed, dil.
Dil. Bilfavo.
There you go. Together, all bilvavo.
Bilbavo.
Bilfavo.
And that means with his heart, with livavo, his heart. The B is the with, livav is heart, and O at the end of a word means his. So bilvavo means with his heart.
With his
Next one,
heart.
with his heart, yeah. Next one,
Yehalelu.
right, yehalelu. Together, yehalelu.
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 Very nice. Very nice. And get the U out, Margaret. Yehalelu.
Meaning?
He will praise, like, or they will praise.
He
Yehalelu.
will praise. Yehalelu. He will praise. Okay.
They will praise. They will praise God.
Yehalelu.
Next one, kindly. Yeah.
Middle. Middle.
Try to break this one up into syllables.
Midly.
Lively. Middle. Hey.
Midly.
How would you break this one into syllables, Gideon?
Midly.
Mid.
That was actually a nice pronunciation. I would break it into mead-ly,
Yes.
mead-ly, something
Yeah,
like that.
Middle, yes.
Very nice. And lastly,
I have it.
slow it down, one syllable at a time.
Ohavate.
How would you break this one into syllables, brother?
Oh,
Ohav.
There you go.
Ohav.
And then what's the
Ohav.
last bit? The last bit is our chaf, so feet. Ohav cha.
oh, have ha.
Ohavha. Okay.
That means ohav cha, I love you.